Hey guys, what is up? It is Logan here again, and today we'll be doing another video, but this video will be a bit different. We'll be doing a tutorial, and we'll be showing you how to build a speedwall. If any of you don't know what a speedwall is, here it is right here. It's a very simple trick, and it's a good way of how to have your dominoes be a bit more interesting. Anyway, grab your dominoes and let's start building. First step will be grab a domino and measure each two dominoes, and they have to be a domino height apart, so basically this long apart. And we'll be doing a small version, so we'll be doing like 6 dominoes long. Right. One domino height apart. One domino height. Your spacing is very crucial for this trick, which will probably be like one of the hardest parts, finding perfect spacing. And boom. Okay. First step has been complete. Now we'll move on to the second step. Grab some more dominoes. I have my pink dominoes right here, and place them on top of a pair of dominoes. If you're building your same size as dominoes, meaning like 6 dominoes length of how big it is, then you should have 3 dominoes on top. And that'll be our second step complete. Our third step is to grab a domino and point it vertical. The first domino will be to the edge, and there won't be a domino at the beginning. But for our second pair of dominoes, you'll grab 2 of them and put them right here. Sorry, just gotta fix that. Then let's put them right here. Okay, our third step is now complete. Now you repeat those steps, and eventually you'll be done. Now the reason why we have these dominoes without another domino is because we want the scene to go up in a triangle. So each vertical domino has to get smaller and smaller. Okay. Keep on repeating. And eventually you'll hit a stage like this where you have a triangle. And that'll be all. That's it. Now last step is to build your domino line. Just make sure you don't knock it over. That'd be bad. And bam. Now to knock it over. What's that? And you can see how it gets its name, speedwall, because it knocks over extremely fast. So if you want to make that for a YouTube video, you're going to be quick about it. But that'll wrap up for today's video. Hope you learned something from this. It's just a fun trick to use for your dominoes to spice it up a bit. And I hope you'll stay tuned. See you in the next one. Bye.